minutes to know how to select the right heat press for your business. Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. Heat presses are no longer a new concept in the world of personalized customization industry. However, many newcomers to the industry still struggle with one crucial factor: how to know that whether your heat press's temperature is even or not. As we know, maintaining consistent heat is essential for achieving high and quality transfers, but not all machines deliver the same level of performance. In today's video, we will walk you through how to evaluate the heat consistency of a heat press and why it matters for your printing results. By the end of this video, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of this key aspect, helping you make informed decisions while choosing the right equipment. Stick around, and this is something every customer printing business should know. When evaluating the temperature stability of a heat press, there are two key factors to consider. First, the temperature difference from the entire heat platen. Second, the consistency of temperature during the transfer process. As we all knew that the most important parts of a heat press is heat platen, while the most important for a heat platen is the temperature difference. Usually, all the heat presses machine wholesalers are marketing that the temperature difference is within 5 degrees Celsius, which seems to be the standard. And for our lineage of heat press, Galaxy Press, we managed to make sure that the temperature difference is within 3 degrees Celsius. But we're also marketing at 5 degrees Celsius too. In a word, make sure the temperature difference is within 5 degrees Celsius is the standard that you may need to follow to make sure that your heat press is qualified. Let's start with the temperature variancy in an ideal state. Essentially, how even heat is distributed across the platen before pressing begins. The key measurement here is the difference between the four corners at the center of heat platen. Did you know that most heat presses on this market have a temperature variancy of 3 to 5 degrees Celsius? For manufacturers who take precision temperature control seriously, quality control procedures including using infrared parameters to ensure this variancy stays within 5 degrees Celsius or even lower. A more evenly heated platen means more consistent and high-quality transfers. And why is temperature consistency during the transfer process so important? Because in transfer progress, the printing result isn't just determined by the machine itself. The material we are pressing also plays a huge role. Think about it, different substrates absorb and retain heat differently. A moist garment can cause unexpected cooling, leading to uneven ink adhesion or washed out colors. A cold slate takes longer to reach the optimal temperature, which may result in incomplete transfers or weak durability. If your heat press can maintain stable temperatures throughout the transfer process, these variations in material temperature can lead to inconsistent prints and faded designs. This is why a high-quality heat press must have precise temperature control. But achieving that isn't just about sensors, it also comes down to the thickness of the heating platen and the power of the machine. Have you ever noticed how thinner heat platens struggle to maintain consistent heat during the transfer process? The thinner the platen, the more heat it loses while pressing, which means unstable temperatures and inconsistent print results, even when pressing the same blanks. Most heat presses on the market come with a heating platen that's 60 mm or thinner, which is often not enough to sustain stable temperatures throughout the transfer process. That's why some high-end models are designed with 90 mm heating platens, allowing for better heat retention and more uniform transfers. So when choosing a heat press, don't just focus on power output. Look at the heating platen thickness. A well-designed, thicker heating platen ensures better heat retention, more uniform transfers, and fewer temperature fluctuations. We hope that after watching this video, you now have a more comprehensive understanding of how to access the temperature stability of a heat press. Do you have any other questions about heat presses or sublimation? Please feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will keep bringing you more invaluable insights and tips on heat presses. See you next time!